Welcome back, all my brothers.
The film's lead British grime artist gets.
You don't know, it's a blessing.
But a more familiar face to Jamaican audiences at least, making his big screen debut.
This movie is the Intent Part 2, and you know, Popcaan is featured in this movie as Sour Sap, the notorious Sour Sap. PG's not dead by 6 o'clock. You are dead by 7. You see me, so I want all my fans and my friends and my family to watch it when they can.
The Intent 2, less than £1 million to make and fully financed by Island Records. Chris Blackwell's old label, you may remember, also underwrote The Harder They Come. Both also low-budget flicks. The Intent 2 currently doing strong box office in UK cinemas, but its premiere Thursday at the Courtley Auditorium could put a spanner in the works of the movie being seen by wider audiences in Jamaica, since, as we understand, Palace Amusement won't show movies premiered here outside of its cinemas.
We want to show it at Carib. I think we're open to releasing it, giving it a Jamaican theatrical release. I think it's just a matter of speaking to the team over there and making it happen. I know there's a lot of anticipation, there's loads of people want to see it. Like, you know, if I was a Jamaican kid, or like, you know, not even a kid, like just a Jamaican, I would want to see a film that features the country so prominently, and also features like some of the biggest talent from the country, like international, from an international perspective, in Popcaan and Louis Rankin. So I would want to see that at my local cinema. And so hopefully the team at Carib will be open to that. But you know, that's a dialogue that's ongoing.
Hopefully with a positive outcome. That's the Intent 2, the come up.
I want to share it with my fans and with my loved ones. So don't know, a Popcaan this attack and Holy Boss Entertainment Report from this time till that time. Oi oi.